Okay, let's kind of make a suggestion or kind of a question. I called the state of Massachusetts fighting about back child support, corruption, extortion, and so forth. Getting nowheres with it due to the fact that it is a corrupt system and everybody knows so. My question, and I don't know where to go if anybody has this information, could kind of direct me to this location. But I call the congressman up, which is federal, and I asked them, what can I do? They say, well, we can't do nothing for you. We are federal. This is a state issue, state problem. You have to go to the state level to take care of this problem. All right, I tried. Call the governor's office. Yeah, basically run around like I usually get. My question is this. If the federal government can't get involved helping me prove that I was violated under my constitutional rights for a fair and just trial in a Springfield, Massachusetts court system in front of Judge Maria Lyons. Okay, she literally turned around and denied me my right to speak. She told my lawyer to shut the F up. Go figure, right? Anyways, my problem is, and I like to know this, if this is not a federal problem or this is not a federal case, then why all my paperwork that I have in front of me requires on a federal law? They have federal law. Federal law, if my so-called employer doesn't take money out of my account and pay child support for the state of Massachusetts, then they can shut down the company or go after them under the federal law. Okay, but yet, I live in Florida. Okay? I thought the same thing. I said, well, I got more rights here in Florida. Correct. Wrong. Actually, it's worse, because since I live in Florida, and I'm now a Florida resident, I don't have a right to argue the case in Massachusetts, unless I get on an airplane and fly back to Mass. That makes sense. Okay? I already know I got railroaded through the system in the state of Mass. I already went to jail for 6 months. I know what the hell they're doing. That's why I can't figure out. If the federal government can't insert themselves into a case that is in another state under the probate family court, how the hell they get themselves into the system to go after your money? Basically, I filed my taxes. They shouldn't even have the state of Massachusetts should not have the right to seize my paychecks in another state, because you're going over that state. Hold on a minute.